Okay, so now we will use long division in dividing two numbers. Here we have 6,952 divided by 4. So basically, napakalaki ng numbers and it is hard for us to divide these two numbers using this way. So, para mapadali yung buhay natin, we will use this systematic way of dividing, which is called long division. So, observe how we written this two numbers. Nasa loob yung dividends natin, which is 6,952, and nasa labas naman yung divisor natin. This symbol is called division symbol or division bracket. Ito yung maghihiwalay sa divisor natin, sa dividend, and sa quotient. Mamaya makikita nyo yung quotient natin na nakasulat dito sa taas. So now, let us start dividing these two numbers. So first, tingnan natin yung 6. Yung unang digit ba enough para may makuha tayong 4? Okay. So ilang 4 ba yung makukuha natin sa 6? Okay, very good. We have 1. So 6 divided by 4 is 1. And then the next step is multiply. Let's multiply. Anyway, dito natin sulat sa taas ng 6 yung ating answer. So 1 times 4 is, okay, 4. And isusulat natin siya sa baba ng 6. And then, i-subtract lang natin yung dalawa. So, 6 minus 4 is 2. What's the next step? We will bring the 9 down. So, bring down 9. So, we have here na 29. How many 4 yung nasa 29? Skip count lang. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. Ano yung sunod? 32. Kasya ba? Sobra na. So, stop tayo doon sa 28. Ilan yung 28? 7. So, we have here 29 divided by 4 is 7. And 7 times 4, ulitin ang yung process natin dito. 7 times 4 is 28. And then subtract. 29 minus 28 is 1. And then bring down 5. Magiging siyang 15. So 15 divided by 4 is what? Skip count ulit. 4, 8, 12, 16. Sobra na yung 16. Ilan na lang? Ilan lang? 3. So we have here 3. 3 times 4. Okay, 12. Let's subtract again. So 15 minus 12 is 3. Bring down naman ulit yung 2. So, magiging na siyang 32. 32 divided by 4 is, okay, skip count again. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. Pang ilan yung 32? Pang 8. So, we have here 8. And then, let us multiply 8 times 4. Okay, 32. Sulat lang natin sa baba, dito. And then, subtract. So, we have 32 divided by, 32 minus 32, it's 0. So, again, this is our quotient, this is our dividends, and this is our divisor. And this is our remainder. So the answer in this problem, 6,952 divided by 4 is equal to 1,738 with a remainder of 0. Let us check kung tama ba yung nakuha natin. So how we gonna check that? By simply, ano yung kabalikaran ng division? Multiplication. By simply multiplying the quotient and the divisor. So it's 1,738 times 4. Very good. So, follow lang natin yung process ng pag-multiply. Isa-isa lang muna para maging madali. So, 8 times 4 is 32. Sulat natin sa taas yung 3. So, 4 times 3 is 12 plus 3, 15. Sulat naman natin sa taas yung 1. 4 times 28, 4 times 7, it's 28, sorry. It's 28 plus 1, it's gonna be 29. Nandito yung 9, nasa taas yung 2. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2, it will be 6. Equal ba? Okay, very good. It's equal. Diba? Equal siya. Next, we have here 1,641 divided by 5. So again, this is our dividends and this is our divisor. So, dito, kasya ba yung 1? Ay, kasya ba yung 5 sa 1? May makukuha ba tayong 5 dito sa 1 natin? Okay, wala. Ang gagawin natin, since hindi kasya sa 1, idadagdag natin yun yung 6. So, magiging na siyang 2-digit number. So, it will be 16. May makukuha na ba tayong 5? Okay, very good. So, 16 divided by 5, ilan yung makukuha natin? We have 3. And then multiply. Katulad ng ginawa natin. 3 times 5 is 15. Then, subtract. 16 minus 15 is 1. Then, bring down 4. 14, I divide by 5 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. And then 14 minus 10 is 4. And then bring down 1. That will be 41. 41 divided by 5 is what? Okay, 40. No. It's 8 rather. And then 5 times 8 is 40. Then subtract. 41 minus 40 is 1. So in this problem, we have remainder of 1. And the quotient for this problem is 328. So let us check kung tama ba yung nakuha natin by multiplying the quotient and the divisor. 328 multiplied by 5. Let us see. 5 times 8 is 40. Nasa baba yung 0, nasa taas yung 4. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 4 is 14. Okay? 5 times 3 is 15 plus 1 is 16. Huwag kakalimutan yung remainder. We will add that to 1,640. Plus 1, it will be 1,641. So, equal ba yung dalawa? Equal po ba yung dalawa? Yes. So, that means tama yung nakuha nating quotient. Okay. I want to challenge you guys. Let us see kung naintindihan po yung discussion natin. Okay, you can pause the video and try answering on your own. Okay, are you ready to check your answer? So in the first problem, we have here 3,864 divided by 7. We have a quotient of 552. And for the second problem, which is 4,480 divided by 6, we have here a quotient of 746. But may remainder tayo with a remainder of 4. Comment down below if you got two correct answer. And that's all. Thank you.